So, Anita, we're almost at the closing ceremony of
Yes.
this joint meeting between ESPE and ESE. What's your feeling of the success? Did it meet your expectation?
Yes, I think it exceeded my expectations. And I think not only of me, I think many of the participants, the delegates. It's a great atmosphere, it's very friendly, and a very good scientific level. So people, as far as I can see, they very much appreciate this meeting. They really love it.
Yeah, my understanding is that we had more than 7,700 participants and more than 3,300 abstracts that were submitted.
Yes, yes.
So it's really also a sign that the meeting was very successful and even more than we could have anticipated when we were discussing the planning a year ago of this meeting.
So it took a lot of efforts to organize this, but in the end I think it is really a success.
Yeah.
And I think it's also a sign that it is a success because people ask, when are you going to do this again?
To the next one. So what's your feeling on that?
No, I think of course we have to discuss and see whether it is feasible. Also, all the let's say the finances will be ready. But I think there's appetite to have this again.
It's clear that the two communities, the pediatrician on one side and the other side, they realize that they have so many things in common, so that everybody, I'm sure, would like to renew the experience and to be joined together again in the future. So the science was excellent. It was outstanding. From that point of view, the program organizing committee did really a great job. How do you see the long-term impact on patient management of that first joint congress?
Yes, I think both the adult endocrinologists and the pediatric endocrinologists have learned from each other's fields. And I've heard that some of the delegates, they came to me and they said, now I see that there are differences, but I can apply certain issues, certain management also to my own patients. So I think there will be an outcome that patient care will be better, although we don't know at the moment, of course, but that is the expectation, I think.
Yeah. That was the aim, and the fact that the meeting is so successful suggests that they will reach that. I think also in the field of transition, that having the two communities interacting, it will help to improve that. That's a key moment in the management of chronic disease.
And I think we should not wait until there is a next joint meeting. I think it's important that we take this moment also to have other projects together. Because there's certainly things like transition courses or webinars, things together. I think now the field is open, we can communicate with each other, and so we have to take advantage of this situation now.
For sure, and not only for education, but I think also for policy and advocacy, because if we are working together, we will be much stronger, and the community really feel that we share in common so many things that for research, for policy and advocacy in the field of environment and endocrine disrupting chemical, it's sure that joint forces after this joint event will be stimulated.
Yeah. And I think that is the expression, together we are stronger. I think that this is what people now realize. We should do things together.
Yeah. Perfectly agree on that.
Yes.
We really would like to thank everyone for attending this meeting and make it a great success.